Rafife? Rafife, I said.
What?
Are you ready?
Wait a minute, honey. I'm trying to choose the right color. What do you think about this one?
Oh, I think it's perfect. Just be quick, my darling. That is my wife, Rafife. Every time when we're going somewhere, she starts to get on my nerves. You know, she's really afraid of being in public, especially among men. As if they're some wild animals. And I am the only man who is not so horrible for her. I remember when we first met, she was trembling and keeping silent, you know. But after a few sweet words of mine, she warmed up to me and even fell in love with me. Kışkıra sirekine, sağlığın silepkine. Gitsen gideyim yanıma, gülümsürepkine. Ezledim bağrım seni, yıllar boyu dilmere. Sahrı mengit uymaz, gözlerim seninle. Oh my God, she's still sitting in front of the mirror. Please be quick, my darling, we're going to be late. She's still powdering her face. If my father-in-law comes home, he will not let us go to the theatre. He never will. What are you doing? I've been waiting for you for an hour already.
Wait a moment. I don't like this kind of powder. I want to try another one.
Just be quick. I put on my coat an hour ago and it was ready to go. Just look at her. She's washing her face, saying that the powder wasn't put very well. Oh my God. How? God, save my nerves. Fatih Amir Khan has published a new book. Hey, Bibi.
What did you say?
Now, look here.
I'm looking.
You know?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you? Just wait until I finish.
I'm waiting.
Now, you know?
I don't know.
Look, I said.
I'm looking.
Now, good. If my father-in-law comes home and asks you about us, you should tell him that we've gone to my parents. And don't tell him that we've gone to the theatre, okay?
It's easy.
Easy.
Wait, but if he doesn't ask?
Then hold your tongue.
Okay.
Wait. I doubt that you dummy will give him the right answer.
Why do you think so about me? I will.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, let's try. What will you say?
I will say that they haven't gone to the theatre. They have gone to their parents.
What? What have I told you? Come here and listen to me again. If my father-in-law... Stop it, what are you doing? If my father-in-law comes home and asks you about us, the only thing you should tell him is that we've gone to my parents. And don't say anything about the theatre. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Go mind your business.
Okay.
How do I live in this mad house and still can keep sane? Oh my God, why did I tell her about the theatre? Why? Are you ready?
Not yet. I went out to see what happened here. Why were you shouting just a few minutes ago?
It was baby pain in the neck. I was trying to explain where we're going. She won't understand.
Oh, she always muddles everything. You know,
Oh, well,
once
we'll talk about that later, okay? Just be quick. I don't want to be late. Oh, my God.
Honey,
Yes?
I just wanted to ask if there are going to be a lot of people at the theatre.
Oh, certainly. It's the first play of the first Tatar theatre. All of the city will come there.
I won't go there. I'm too shy.
Actually, I think not a lot of people will come, but some of them will be afraid of their parents and of their disapproval, you know?
Then let's stay at home, please. I'm afraid of disapproval too. If my father finds out, he will scold us too.
My day, really. But I've already bought the tickets, haven't I?
What's the problem? You can return them.
No, I can't return them.
Well, it's up to you, but I'm afraid to go anyway.
But there are no monsters there.
All the same, I won't go.
That's enough. I'm going alone.
Oh, no, I can't stay